This is Audi's fastest SUV. It does 0 to 100 in 3.9 seconds. And shares the same platform as the Lamborghini Urus and the Porsche Cayenne Turbo. It has a V8 engine producing 600 horsepower. Now the RSQ8 is one of the best looking SUVs out there on sale today. I love the rear sloping roofline, the dancing LED headlights and the rear tail light. This car comes with some interesting optional bits such as the gloss black carbon fiber external bits on the front grille and on the side mirrors as well. It even has matte carbon fiber in the interior trims. The Audi RSQ8 comes with 23-inch rims, which are the biggest on any Audi, and comes with red brake calipers and ceramic brakes. Another cool feature about its looks, what I love, are these frameless windows, which give it a very sporty looking character. Audi performance cars have the most ergonomic gear lever ever. It just fits perfectly into your hand and it just feels just like the right position to be in all the time. This car also comes with full leather interiors. It's really a premium place to be in and it feels super luxurious and sporty at the same time. Another interesting feature that this car has, which sounds really good, is the Bang and Olufsen 3D surround sound speakers. I tried to find a flaw with the RSQ8 and that's almost like an impossible task. This car is pretty flawless. It's probably one of the best cars on sale right now, and I think it definitely is one of the biggest contenders to buy a performance car today, especially for performance SUV.